Huh? Curl it like you're curling. But you don't want to curl them after you put your mascara on. You don't want to do that. That's a no-no, not after it's done. Hey y'all, it's Jennifer of JennySueMakeup.com and welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't visited me before, hello. And just to give you a little snippet of who I am, I'm a beauty blogger, I'm a professional makeup artist, and I'm a mom and a wife. So I'm glad y'all are here. My tips and tricks for makeup are always gonna be real short and sweet and to the point and things that you can really implement in your everyday life. So today's tip is I'm going to show you a few things you can do to make your mascara perform better and to make your eyelashes look as good as possible without having to do, expensive eyelash extensions or to maybe even put on false strip lashes, which I love to do, but sometimes you ain't got time for that. So today I'm just going to show you my best tips for getting your best eyelash life ever. The first thing you'll need is, I'll go ahead and talk about your tools. It's not that many, but you definitely need, first and foremost, an eyelash curler. This is so necessary. I find there's a lot of women that say they used to use them back when they were teenagers, starting to learn how to put on makeup, but then they've since kind of gotten away from it. And does it really make a difference or not? Yes, an eyelash curler absolutely makes a huge difference in how your mascara is going to perform and how your eyelash is going to look. I am using a Kevyn Aucoin eyelash curler today. It's one of my favorites. I do love that it's silver and it has the little red cushion because I can really see my eyelashes when I crimp them. Some of them are black and really dark and you can't really see your eyelashes when they're in there. So I really love this one. I've been using the Kevyn Aucoin brand for years. So I love a metal one. Definitely this is something that you need. So if you don't have one, go out and get one. Okay. The second product you're going to need for today is a eyelash primer, or this one is called the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer Base. So this is basically a base that you're going to put on before your mascara. And they're usually white in color. Lots of brands make an eyelash primer. Just, I guess, try out a few, see which one you like best. I love L'Oreal. Y'all will find if you watch a bunch of my videos that I really kind of love drugstore mascara. It's because I use so much of it and you're really supposed to switch them out every 3 to 4 months. So that would get really expensive if you were using an expensive primer and mascara and replacing every 3 to 4 months. So I do love a good drugstore mascara. This one's great. And you'll see that it is kind of white in color, which is great because when you put it on your eyelashes, it kind of makes your eyelashes come to life and you can see where you've placed it. Last product you're going to need is your actual mascara, which will be what you end with. There's tons of them out there. Whichever one that you love right now, once you add the base to it, it's going to make it perform even better. Today I'm going to be using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. I have recently come across this inexpensive mascara and I am in love with it. It's literally, I think, $4.99, and I've seen it all over beauty blogs, beauty websites, other beauty bloggers I follow, and I've just heard about it so much I finally gave it a try, and it is totally worth the hype and totally worth a $5 bill. So I'm going to be using this for my eyelashes today. And an honorable mention product just in case. Sometimes if you don't love a really clumpy eyelash or something really full and super dramatic, you will need an eyelash brush. I prefer the ones with the steel teeth like this. The plastic teeth on an eyelash comb don't work as well, so you need the steel teeth really to kind of get in there and to separate any clumps. Of course, it is a little dangerous if you get too close to your eyes, so proceed with caution, but I love my steel teeth eyelash comb when I've got like a really big clump that maybe happened. Okay, so let's get into how you actually do this. So the first step is you will take your eyelash curler, and what you're going to do is you are going to curl it at 3 separate parts of your eyelash. Now, old way of thinking of using these is you put it in there and you clamp it down for, a few seconds and then you let go. And then you're stuck with this harsh 90-degree angle on your eyelash that's eventually going to fall throughout the day. So you're kind of undoing what you've already done. So the reason you want to curl it at 3 separate parts along your eyelash is because it'll leave a nice curl that's bent all the way up and it will hold longer throughout the day. So you're going to take your eyelash curler and you're literally going to squeeze the base of your eyelash first and let go. I usually squeeze for maybe a count of like 5 or 6 seconds. Take it out, squeeze the middle of your eyelashes, let go, and then you're going to squeeze the tips for the 3rd time to make sure that you've really got them nice and curled, and you'll repeat it on the other side. So once your eyelashes are curled, you're going to go onto your primer. And literally, you're just going to put it on like you would any sort of regular mascara. For this tutorial, I just put the eyelash primer on my upper lashes. You can put it on your lower lashes if you really want some ba-ba boom lashes. I just chose to do it on the top ones for this tutorial. But you just literally swipe it on like you would a mascara, and then you'll let it dry for, you know, a few seconds. I sometimes like to fan my eyelashes so it dries. You don't want it completely dry though. It's kind of this weird in-between stage that you want your primer to be. And then you're gonna finish it off with your actual mascara. And I love to do 2 or 3 coats of my mascara. So whatever floats your boat. If you want just like a little bit of drama, do 1 coat. But if you want more, just continue to add. So then I will just add it on top of my eyelash primer until I'm happy with it. Definitely wiggle it in little Z motions back and forth along the eyelash to really get it in there. Make sure you get really far at the base and then sweep it all the way to the top. And then you can do your lower lashes if you wish. And then that's pretty much it. You will be surprised how big and beautiful your eyelashes look just from those 3 steps. So if you're just now using a mascara and that's it, then you might want to implement curling your eyelashes and adding an eyelash primer base, because it's just going to give you the biggest lashes of your life, and you'll be very, very impressed with how they look. And then at the end, if you know, I did have a couple clumps I noticed as I was actually putting this on, I'll just take my steel teeth comb and I will brush it through the clumps until it removes them. Oh, one thing, first and foremost, that I forgot to add, and you can actually do this after you're done, but make sure in between uses with your eyelash curler, make sure that you clean it off with a Kleenex every time. There will become, you know, some sort of buildup, even though I never recommend using this over your mascara, because that formula will stick to this metal clamp and it will pull your eyelashes out for sure. So always do this on bare eyelashes, and just be sure to clean it off in between. You shouldn't have that much, you know, product on there since you're doing it on bare eyelashes every time, but it is good to keep your, you know, eyelash curler clean. So just wipe it down with a little Kleenex after you're done so it's ready for use on the next day. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you have found 2 new practices to add to your mascara that will give you just the best eyelashes ever. And I will list all of these products and get some links to them below in the notes below this video if you want to go check them out and find my really fabulous $4.99 mascara or my nice Kevin Aucoin curler. So I appreciate y'all sticking around. Of course, as always, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love it if you would. Just hit that subscribe button and go follow me on all those other fun social media sites, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. I'm at Jenny Sue Makeup on all of them, so very easy breezy to find. So thanks for sticking around for this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Kinda hungry. Hadn't had lunch. It's 1:20.
Clap for me.
I still don't understand how that helps, but all right, so should I get started? Just do my usual open like, hey, welcome back to my channel.
What's up, peeps?
What's up, peeps?